Hey YouTube, this is Ricky again from RDT. Got a new review, new product in the house. People were asking me to unbox and review these Iem'S, so I got them in. This is the Fiio Fd1. They're new. So from Fiio. So let's do a quick unboxing here and see what's in the box. I'm gonna be doing a review later of them, so stay tuned. Alrighty, get that out of the way. See what's in the box here. Oh, it opens like that. Yeah. Fiio. Born for music. Book. Here are the Iem'S. They look nice. I like the color, black. My favorite color. Let's see what's in the box here. All right. I think it comes with a case, yeah. It does come with a case. Got tips in here. Wonder what kind of tips it comes with. Got a nice cable. Yeah, this is a nice cable. The Iem'S. It comes with tips on. It has some tips on. So yeah, I'm gonna be reviewing this later in the week. So yeah, they look like plastic. Yeah, this is a quick unboxing. I'm not gonna go into details. Doesn't have any information on the box, so yeah, it's a quick unboxing. Tips, I wonder if they're the same tips. Oh, these are foam tips. Yeah, these are foam tips. All right. I don't like foam tips because they give a different sound to the Iem'S. So I like more silicone tips. This looks nice. Looks a little bit as the spin fits. Overall, the presentation and the accessories looks good. The cable looks very nice. It has the ring here to adjust. Fiio, and not too bad. So I'm gonna be testing them, see how they sound and everything, and yeah, I'll let you know how they sound. I'll do a full review on them. These are the Fiio Fd1. That color is nice. I wonder. I think they didn't have that color available when I ordered them. So I got the black ones. Yeah, comes with the case and everything. Looks good. So I'll see you to the next one. I will be doing a review on them. Stay tuned. Remember, I have the giveaway going on the channel. Subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you to the next one. Bye bye.